Wow, and there she is helping with that dog.
In the middle of covering Hurricane Florence, this news reporter stops to save a dog about to drown in the rising floodwaters.
You think about the people, but also their pets too, all their belongings, and it's just nice to see that they're finally getting some assistance.
Julie Wilson works for ABC 11 in New Bern, North Carolina.
Julie's got the dog.
Julie did it. We knew she would. Get that dog to safety.
The dog was one of many animals endangered by the storm. These guys pulled out 2 soaking wet cats from the water and brought them on a boat to safety. Larger animals also needed some human help. These horses were rescued after the town of Trenton, North Carolina was cut off by floodwaters.
All in all, we're alive. Animals are safe. We'll live to go another day.
Florence was downgraded to a tropical depression but still caused major damage. You can see the town of Fayetteville, North Carolina flooded as nearly 500,000 homes and businesses are without power in some areas. At least 17 people have died. I'm Lee Sheps for InsideEdition.com.